GeoGebra is an interactive geometry, algebra, statistics and calculus application, intended for learning and teaching mathematics and science from primary school to university level. GeoGebra is available on multiple platforms with its desktop applications for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, with its tablet apps for Android, iPad and Windows, and with its web application based on HTML5 technology. Its creator, Markus Hohenwarter, started the problem in 2001 at the University of Salzburg, continuing it at Florida Atlantic University, Florida State University, and now at the University of Linz together with the help of open-source developers and translators all over the world. After a successful Kickstarter campaign, GeoGebra expanded their offerings to include an iPad, an Android and a Windows Store app version. In 2013, Bernard Paris's GeoC was integrated into GeoGebra's CAS view. GeoGebra continues to expand its efforts to deliver the best possible dynamic mathematics software and services to students and teachers worldwide, with a community of users that extends to all but a few countries. GeoGebra includes both a commercial and not-for-profit entity, working closely together from the head office in Linz, Austria to continue to expand the software and cloud services available to its user community of students, teachers, and growing network of government partners. Interactive geometry, algebra, statistics and calculus. GeoGebra is interactive mathematics software for learning and teaching mathematics and science from primary school up to university level. Constructions can be made with points, vectors, segments, lines, polygons, conic sections, inequalities, implicit polynomials and functions. All of them can be changed dynamically afterwards. Elements can be entered and modified directly via mouse and touch, or through the input bar. GeoGebra has the ability to use variables for numbers, vectors and points, find derivatives and integrals of functions and has a full complement of commands like root or extremum. Teachers and students can use GeoGebra to make conjectures and to understand how to prove geometric theorems. Its main features are interactive geometry environment, built-in spreadsheet, built-in CAS, built-in statistics and calculus tools, allows scripting, large number of interactive learning and teaching resources at GeoGebra Tube. It's a multimedia application. Cloud services through GeoGebra Tube. Dynamic GeoGebra applets can be directly uploaded to GeoGebra Tube, the official cloud service and repository of GeoGebra-related and interactive learning and teaching resources. GeoGebra Tube was initially launched in June 2011. With recent improvement and extended functionality, the service now hosts nearly 1 million resources, 250,000 plus of which are shared publicly as searchable materials, such as interactive worksheets, simulations, games, and e-books created using the GeoGebra book feature. GeoGebra materials can be also exported in several formats, including as static images or as animated GIF. SVG vector images can be further edited using third-party software, for example Inkscape. vector formats can be directly imported in several Office applications. There are also options for exporting to the system clipboard, PNG, PDF, EPS. GeoGebra can also create code that can be used inside LaTeX files through its Strix, PGF TIGZ and asymptote export options. Licensing. Like many well-known examples in software development, including web browsers, gaming and music apps, GeoGebra includes open-source libraries licensed under the GNU General Public License, the LGPL, the Apache license and others. GeoGebra is licensed under the GeoGebra Non-Commercial License Agreement, stipulating that while the source code is licensed under the terms of the GNU General Public License, the translation files, installers, and web services are licensed under GeoGebra's own license. Commercial use is subject to a license and collaboration agreement, providing the terms under which GeoGebra delivers its software as a service to partners worldwide. For more information about licensing and partnerships with GeoGebra, contact the team through the official website. Community. The International GeoGebra Institute is the not-for-profit entity of the GeoGebra Group, coordinating deployment and research efforts across a global network of user groups at universities and non-profit organizations. IGI joins teachers, students, software developers and researchers to support, develop, translate and organize the GeoGebra-related tasks and projects. The local user groups support students and teachers in their region. As part of the International GeoGebra Institute network, they share free educational materials via GeoGebra Tube, organize workshops, and work on projects related to GeoGebra. The International GeoGebra Institute may certify local GeoGebra users, experts, and trainers according to certain guidelines. Awards: Merlot Award for Exemplary Online Learning Resources, a Merlot Classics 2013, NTLC Award 2010, National Technology Leadership Award 2010, Tech Award 2009, Laureate in the Education category, BETT Award 2009, Finalist in London for British Educational Technology Award, SourceForge.net Community Choice Awards 2008, Finalist, Best Project for Educators, AECT Distinguished Development Award 2008, Association for Educational Communications and Technology, Learning Award 2006, Austrian Educational Software Award for Wurfbewegung mit GeoGebra, eTwinning Award 2006, First Prize for Crop Circles Challenge with GeoGebra. Les Trophées Copywriters du Libre 2005, International Free Software Award, Category Education, Comenius 2004, German Educational Media Award, Learning Award 2005, Austrian Educational Software Award for Spezielle Relativitätstheorie mit GeoGebra, Digita 2004, German Educational Software Award, Learning Award 2003, Austrian Educational Software Award, EASA 2002, European Academic Software Award. See also: CAR, Graphmatica, KIG. References. External links: Official website, GeoGebra's channel on YouTube. To the first, the template YouTube user is being considered for deletion. Development coordination site.